Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Shrutika and today we are at this project for the overview of Godrej Emerald Waters, which is located at Vallabhnagar, Pimpri. And this project is developed by Godrej Properties. In this video, we will be discussing about the below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet areas, booking process, launch offers and many more. But before getting into the project details, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer and give you the bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, thereby if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with a lot of brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer through Housey. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. Now let's go and have a look at the project. तो अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू के बारे में विद द हेल्प ऑफ 3D मॉडल. Godrej Emerald Waters will be constructed on 7.3 acres of land parcel consisting of 7 towers with basement plus ground plus 3 podium plus 32 floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं कनेक्टिविटी एंड सराउंडिंग की. तो ठीक मेरे पीछे ये है इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और ठीक सेल्स ऑफिस के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ये है अपना लैंड पार्सल. So coming to the location part, project is located next to Sant Tukaram Metro Station, Vallabhnagar, Pimpri. Pimpri Chowk is just far away, 3.9 km. Pimpri Railway Station is just far away, 4.6 km. PVR City 1 Mall is just far, 4.8 km. Now coming to the amenities part with the help of 3D model. The project has 30 plus luxurious amenities with like of gym, swimming pool, multi-purpose court, kids play areas, jogging track, indoor games, senior citizen area and many more. So coming to the carpet areas, Godrej Emerald Waters has 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium residences with 2 BHK starting from 792 to 914 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 995 to 1110 square feet and 4 BHK starting from 1828 square feet and 5 BHK will be 2024 square feet. So let's discuss about the booking process. Our booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain you the complete project details along with the 3D model. We'll share you the pricing and payment schemes also with the actual location. Then if clients like the project, they can continue with the booking process. So everyone, this was the project overview of Godrej Emerald Waters located in Vallabhnagar, Pimpri by Godrej Properties.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.